Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change RedotPay card PIN. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. And this way you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now, first of all, simply open your RedotPay app. Now, you just have to tap on the option of cards, and over here you are going to see your physical card and the virtual card details. Now you need to keep this thing in mind that only the physical card have a pin. The virtual cards don't support the pins. So if you have the physical card available, the pin of which you want to change, you just have to tap on the card, select your physical card, and then you just have to tap on the option of the settings of your card. Now inside the settings you are going to see the option of change card pin. You just have to tap on that, and then you need to enter the new 4-digit or the 6-digit pin. Then you need to enter it again in order to confirm your choice. Now tap on the option of confirm in order to save your new pin, and this way you will be able to basically use this new pin for ATM withdrawals or in-store chip or the pin transactions. So it's as simple as that. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.